Welcome back, beautiful people. OddFactOracle here. Ever wondered what incredible secrets your body is hiding? Get ready to uncover mind-blowing facts that will change the way you think about yourself forever. Stay tuned, because you won't believe what's happening inside you right now. Did you know that your heart beats around 100,000 times a day? That's over 35 million times a year and about 2.5 billion times by the time you hit 70. This incredible little organ, roughly the size of your fist, works tirelessly around the clock to keep you alive. Think about this. Every single heartbeat pumps blood throughout your entire body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your cells and removing waste products. It's like a constant, never-ending delivery service that keeps you alive and healthy. On average, your heart pumps about 5 liters of blood every minute. That's about 7,500 liters of blood each day, enough to fill over 50 bathtubs. Your heart has its own built-in electrical system that controls your heartbeat. This system, known as the sinoatrial or SA node, it sends electrical signals that travel through your heart, making the muscles contract and pump blood. Even if the heart were separated from the body, it could continue beating on its own for a short time as long as it has an adequate supply of oxygen. Your heart is an extraordinary organ that deserves all the care and attention you can give it, so the next time you feel your heartbeat, take a moment to appreciate the incredible effort it takes to keep you alive and thriving.
Did you know that the human brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb? When you're awake, your brain produces about 20 watts of electrical power. That's why people always tell you to keep those brain cells active. Your brain is an incredibly complex organ made up of approximately 86 billion neurons. These neurons communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals, creating a vast network of connections. This communication is what allows us to think, feel, and move. Every thought, memory, and action is the result of neurons firing and transmitting signals at incredible speeds. Consider this. A single neuron can send thousands of signals per second, and when all your neurons are active, the combined electrical activity can power a light bulb. This is why activities like reading, solving puzzles, or learning new skills are so beneficial. They stimulate your brain and keep your neurons firing, promoting mental agility and cognitive health. Engaging with others, participating in group activities, and maintaining strong social connections can help keep your brain sharp. Socializing stimulates various cognitive processes, including attention, memory, and problem-solving skills, and it can also reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. Your brain is truly a powerhouse, and taking steps to keep it healthy can have a profound impact on your overall well-being.
Something I bet you didn't know is that the human nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents. Our sense of smell is incredibly sophisticated and has a direct connection to the brain's limbic system, which is responsible for emotions and memory. This means that a single whiff of a familiar scent can instantly transport you back to a specific moment in time, evoking powerful memories and emotions. The sense of smell, or olfaction, begins when odor molecules in the air enter the nose and bind to receptors in the olfactory epithelium, a small patch of tissue located high in the nasal cavity. Humans have about 400 different types of olfactory receptors, each capable of detecting a variety of odor molecules. Your sense of smell is a powerful and often underappreciated sense that enriches your life in countless ways. So, take a moment to appreciate the incredible world of scents around you and share these fascinating facts with others.
The power of bone structure. Your bones might look simple from the outside, but they're like tiny architectural wonders. Inside each bone, there's a complex lattice structure made up of tiny fibers called collagen. This network of fibers makes bones both strong and flexible. It's kind of like a high-tech bridge design, strong yet light. To give you an idea of just how strong our bones are, let's compare it to something familiar. Picture a steel bar the width of a human bone. If you applied the same amount of force to break both the steel bar and the bone would be able to handle 5 times more force before breaking. Here's another cool fact: your bones are constantly changing. When you exercise or lift weights, your bones react by becoming even stronger. Seems like they get a workout every time you do. So next time you think about strength, remember that your bones are not just strong, they're superhumanly strong.
This next one is your largest organ. Your skin is not just a protective layer, but actually your body's largest organ. Yep, it's true. In fact, it covers an average of 2 square meters of your body and weighs around 9 pounds. That's like having an extra layer of clothing that's always on you. So how does this work? Well, your skin is made up of several layers, and the outermost layer, called the epidermis, is where all the action happens. New skin cells are produced deep in the epidermis, and as they move up, they become older and eventually shed off. Imagine this: every single hour, you shed around 600,000 particles of skin. That's like a mini snowstorm of skin flakes happening all around you. In fact, if you could gather up all the skin you shed in a year, it would weigh around 1.5 pounds. Here's something that's really cool. Your skin has its own microbiome. These are tiny bacteria and other microorganisms that live on your skin and help keep it healthy. So next time you look in the mirror, remember that your skin is not just a protective layer. It's a living, breathing organ that's always working to keep you healthy and beautiful.
Your stomach is like a high-tech factory for breaking down food. It uses powerful hydrochloric acid to turn your meal into a digestible soup. This acid is so strong that it could dissolve metal. Here's a fascinating fact. Your stomach lining is replaced every 2 to 3 days. That's right. Every few days, your stomach grows a whole new lining to keep up with the constant assault of acid. Beneath the mucus layer, special cells produce bicarbonate, a substance that also helps neutralize acid and protect the stomach lining. Your stomach is quite a stretchable organ. When you eat, it can expand to hold up to 1.5 liters of food and drink. That's like fitting a big bag of popcorn in there. So, whenever you eat a delicious meal, remember to appreciate your stomach for all the hard work it does.
Do you know the organ that can regenerate itself? That's right, the liver. It's located in the upper right side of your abdomen, just below your ribs. Your liver also has over 500 functions in your body. It detoxifies harmful substances, produces important proteins, and helps digest fats. The liver can regenerate itself through a process called cell division. When part of the liver is removed, the remaining liver cells go into overdrive, dividing and multiplying to restore the liver to its full size. The liver doesn't just grow new cells, it actually grows back to its original size and shape. This regrowth happens thanks to the liver's special cells called hepatocytes. These cells are like the liver's builders. Your liver can weigh up to 3 pounds and has a rich blood supply with over 500 different functions. Scientists are studying liver regeneration to help treat liver diseases and injuries. New treatments might one day help people with liver conditions like cirrhosis and hepatitis. During the times you're enjoying a healthy meal or going for a run, remember to thank your liver for all it does to keep you healthy.
Did you know that the surface area of your lungs is roughly the size of a tennis court? The large surface area is essential for efficient gas exchange, the process where oxygen from the air gets into your blood and carbon dioxide is removed from your blood. Inside your lungs are millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. These are where the magic happens. Each lung has about 300 to 500 million alveoli. Alveoli are like little grapes that cluster together. Their walls are extremely thin, which allows for efficient gas exchange. Lungs produce a substance called surfactant that helps keep the alveoli open and reduces surface tension. Your lungs have built-in defenses like mucus and cilia to trap and remove particles and pathogens. Our lungs are incredible organs with a surface area as big as a tennis court, working tirelessly to keep you breathing and healthy every day. Thanks for watching our journey through the most shocking facts about the human body. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for interesting content. Drop a comment below about what fact you found the most interesting. Until next time, OddFactOracle signing off.